Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to block strangers from finding you in Alipay search engine. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app. Just like so. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on account from the bottom side right here. Click on account, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on setting icon from the top side right here. So click on that, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. It take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on common privacy settings. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on method for friending me. So click on that. It takes you right here. Now, you have different methods by which people can find you in Alipay. First method here is group chat, business card, people you may know, transfer page, conversation stranger, search, mobile number, contact, and others. Now, if you want to block people from getting your contact detail from Alipay search, so what you need to do is to simply click on this button right here to turn it off. It's as simple as that. So with that, if anybody have my Alipay contact detail, whether my Alipay account number or my Alipay email address, by the time they search for it on their Alipay search engine, the result is not going to be shown. It's as simple as that. And stranger will not be able to find you in Alipay. Stranger will not be able to send you friend requests. Stranger will not be able to send you funds into your Alipay account, except people that you know in your Alipay account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to protect your privacy in Alipay and how best you can block stranger from sending you funds, sending you friend requests, or sending you unsolicited message into your Alipay account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.